Are we going to get a Santa Claus rally into the end of the year? All of that depends on Jerome Powell and this Wednesday's FOMC meeting. Welcome to the Ready Set Trade Market Minute for Sunday, the 11th of December. Now, we have two major events coming up this week where we can basically throw the charts out the window. Technical analysis really does not matter when we come into exogenous risk like this. So we have the CPI report coming out on Tuesday morning, and then the FOMC announcement, as well as the Fed chair press conference on Wednesday afternoon. Let's look at the CPI for a minute, and let's see what the market's expecting. Now, the most recent PPI, or Producer Price Index, was slightly hot from this past week. So we can't have two of these in a row that are above consensus. Month to month, CPI is 0.3%. So that's actually a pretty low bar to get below. So we'll see whether or not we're able to come in at consensus or below. If we take away food and energy, it's 0.4%. Again, the media is going to focus on the year-to-year number, which is the headline number. But really what the market will focus on is the actual month-to-month number. That's what really matters. Here's the S&P daily chart. It's in a somewhat precarious position this week because what's happened is after tagging that confluence of resistance that we were talking about literally forever at the descending trend line as well as the 200-day moving average in green, so that is a confluence of resistance, as well as tagging the average swing length, so 608 points, the latest rally back in August went into 604. So check. All conditions have been met so far for this to be a bear market rally. And so we've started to distribute over the last week. We've come down about 170 points to critical support just above 3,900. If this breaks, what that means is that this is a lower high, lower low combination, and we have started the process of transitioning into a downtrend on the daily chart. Now, we've already seen what's happened when we get a less than consensus CPI number. We had this enormous rally back here early November, and this has the potential to do the same thing. So I would say there's a very good chance by the end of the week that either we get a good CPI print and we have a compliant Fed and the price is above 4,100, which is going to surprise a lot of people, or if we have heavy CPI and if we have an entrenched Fed, we will be trading well below 3,900. So a lot is at stake what happens in the next couple of trading days. And that's your Sunday Market Minute. Thanks for listening. We'll see you in the next one.